Now start exercise 10.2, question number 10. Prove that the angle between two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle is supplementary to the angle obtained by the line segment joining the points of contact at the center. Now look, as per question, this is the figure. O is the center of the circle, P is the exterior point, PA and PB are two tangents, OA and OB are two radii. Now you have to prove that angle between two tangents, that is angle APB plus angle AOB equal to 180 degree, means the angle between two radii. Okay, angle between two radii is angle AOB, and angle between two tangents, angle APB, is supplementary, means 180 degree. Now proof, OA is the radius and PA is the tangent. Show angle OAP equal to 90 degree, since radius is perpendicular to the tangent at point of contact. Similarly, OB is the radius and PB is the tangent. Show angle OBP equal to 90 degree. Okay. Now in quadrilateral AOBP, we know sum of these four angle is 360 degree. Okay. So in quadrilateral OAPB, angle OAP plus angle AOB plus angle OBP plus angle APB equal to 360 degree. Since sum of the angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degree. Now you put the values. OAP, angle OAP equal to 90 degree. So I have written here 90 degree plus angle AOB plus angle 90 degree, since angle OBP is 90 degree, plus angle APB equal to 360. Now angle APB plus angle AOB equal to 360 minus 90, 180. So it is 180. 360 minus 180, 180 degree. Show angle APB plus angle AOB equal to 180 degree. It is proved. Now next question, number 11. Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing a circle is a rhombus. So this is a circle and ABCD is a parallelogram. It is given circumscribing a circle. Now you have to prove that ABCD is a rhombus, means AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. You have to prove. Now look here. A is the exterior point, so AP equal to AS, since length of the tangents drawn from an exterior point to a circle are equal. Similarly, BP equal to BQ and CR equal to CQ and DR equal to DS. There are four equations. I have written here the reason. The lengths of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. Now adding equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have AP plus BP plus CR plus DR equal to AS plus DS plus BQ plus CQ. Okay. Now AP plus BP as per figure it is AB, and CR plus DR as per figure it is CD. Now AS plus DS as per figure it is AD, and BQ plus CQ is BC. Okay. So I have written here. Now AB plus CD equal to AD plus BC. It is proved. Now it is given that ABCD is a parallelogram. So what is parallelogram? In a parallelogram, of both pairs of opposite sides are equal. Show AB equal to CD and BC equal to AD. Since both pairs of opposite sides of a parallelogram are equal, putting this value in equation A, AB plus AB, in place of CD you can write AB because AB and CD are same, and in place of BC you can write also AD, since AD and BC are same. Show AB plus AB equal to AD plus AD. Show 2AB equal to 2AD. 2 cancel and AB equal to AD. Look the figure. AB and AD are the adjacent side. It is a parallelogram, it is given, so both pairs of opposite sides are equal, and here also AB equal to AD, that is adjacent sides are also equal. It means all the sides are equal. Since adjacent sides are equal, so AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. When all sides are equal, then ABCD is a rhombus. Proved. Okay.